Hello and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Matic chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Matic has continued to hold above our ascending trend line, and we have also continued to gear up, where we have now seen a break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, and also a break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.62 to $7 mark. And on the 30-minute chart, we can see a successful retest before we continued gearing up in a breakout move that has now given us a peak at around the $0.6555 mark. Matic has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.5 mark, I started tracking this Elliot wave structure on the charts, where I have been terming this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw this corrective move to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area for that second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is an area that we fully maximized, highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And after fully maximizing that target area, you can now see that we saw a reaction of the target area and started this bounce to the upside in a move that finally gave us a breakout overnight, where we have now seen a peak at around the $0.65 mark. And I now believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive move in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3, and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.892 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting these higher Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side to do. And for that move to play out, I'm expecting Matic to continue holding above this key area of support, continue gearing up, and also give us a break above the wave 1 high at around the $0.6753 mark. And once we manage to break above the wave 1 high, that will be another confirmation that the move that we are seeing on the charts is impulsive, and they also increase the high chances that we are going to fully maximize our minimum target area at around the $0.81 mark in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term point of view. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, still basing it on the Elliott wave structures. Here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our June lows last year, we saw this 5-wave move to the upside, giving us a high at around the $1.3 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started breaking down in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where we have now fully maximized the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And since we have fully maximized our yellow target area and completed the formation of this wave 2, whatever we expect next is the start of an impulse in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. And before I give you minimum target areas for these higher Elliott wave count 3, there are few confirmations that I'm watching out here on the Matic chart for me to fully confirm that the low is in the second wave, and the start of this impulsive wave 3 has now started, where I'm expecting Matic to give us a 5-wave move to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure before we can continue gearing up. Once we see such a move on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low for this second wave is in and we have started an impulsive move in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Matic chart on the long-term point of view. And if I give you minimum target areas for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that now gives me a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $2.1 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Matic to do in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. So let's continue watching what continues to play out on the short-term point of view, whether we are going to get that 5-wave structure to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure, fully confirming the start of an impulse. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 65 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.